integrate sine twice x divided by cosine x power 4 plus sine x power 4. Cosine 2x plus sine square x whole square equal cosine 4x plus 2 sine 2x cosine 2x plus sine power 4x. This is equal 1. i.e. 1 equal cosine 4x plus plus 2 sine square x cosine square x, i.e. cosine 4x plus sine 4x equal 1 minus 2 sine square x cosine square x. I equal integrate from 0 to y by 4 sine twice x dx divided by 1 minus 2 sine square x cosine square x. I equal integrate from 0 to y by 4 sine twice x dx 1 minus half sine square x sine square twice x. Sine square twice x equal 2 sine x cosine x whole square equal 4 sine square x cosine square x. I equal integrate from 0 to y by 4 sine twice x dx divided by 1 minus half sine square twice x. Multiply numerator and numerator by 2. This is 2. I will be integrate from 0 to y by 4 2 sine twice x dx divided by 2 minus sine square twice x. I equal integrate from 0 to y by 4 twice sine twice x dx divided by 2 minus 1 minus cosine square 2x. I equal integrate from 0 to y by 4 twice sine twice x dx divided by 2 minus 1 equal 1, minus minus plus cosine square twice x. u equal, let u equal cosine twice x. At x equal 0, u equal 1. At x equal by 4, cosine by u equal 0, i.e. cosine by 2 equal 0. The limit in du equal minus 2 sine twice x dx. I equal integrate from 1 to 0 minus outside. This is equal du divided by 1 plus u squared. I equal change the limit of integration with changing the zero du divided by 1 plus u squared. I equal, this is tan minus 1 u from 0 to 1. Tan minus 1 1 minus tan minus 1 0. This is equal by 4 minus 0 equal by 4. Finish.